Welcome back, students, to your English class. In the last class, we had dealt with the first lesson, first unit, first lesson, life with grandfather. Today, we are going to the fourth paragraph of it. And in the last class, we came to know about Raja and his family, mainly about his grandfather. Now come to the fourth paragraph of the lesson. Grandmother was kind and gentle. She took good care of me. Today it starts with Raja's grandmother. Grandmother was kind and gentle. She took good care of me. She would follow me like a shadow, saying, "Drink this milk, or eat your food, or have your bath, or go to bed." I did not like this, but still I loved her very much. See, how was his grandmother? She was kind and gentle. Did she take good care of Raja? Yes, she took good care of Raja. Who is this me referred to here? Me is Raja. She would follow me like a shadow. Who would follow him like a shadow? His grandmother, saying, "Drink this milk, or eat your food, or have your bath, or go to bed." Always she compelled Raja to drink his milk and eat his food and to take his bath or to go to bed. And did he like this? No. Did he like his grandmother? Yes, Raja liked his grandmother. Even though she compelled him to do several things, he liked his grandmother very much. My uncle was young and very clever. He helped grandfather in looking after his fields and gardens. People liked him, and I too liked him very much. Whenever I was in trouble, uncle would come to my help. See, what do you know about his uncle? He was young and very clever. And he helped grandfather in looking after his fields and gardens. People liked him, and I liked him very much. I too liked him very much. The people in the village liked Raja, as well as Raja liked his uncle very much. What's the reason? Whenever Raja was in trouble, uncle would come to his help. That was the reason why he liked his uncle very much. At home, I did not have any friend to play with. Grandfather did not like my going out to play with other children. He believed that I would be spoiled if I did so. Spoiled means turned bad. Turned, turned bad. Other children did not like to come to our house because they were afraid of grandfather. See, he didn't have any friend to play with in his house. Grandfather did not like my going out to play with other children. His grandfather didn't allow him to go out to play with other children. What's the reason? His grandfather believed that if he had gone out to play with other children, he would be spoiled. So he didn't allow him to go out. Other children did not like to come to our house. What's the reason? They were afraid of grandfather. In short, Raja has nobody to play with. Yet, life with grandfather was not dull. Yet means even though. I like my home and the very large garden all around it. There were many trees in the garden, coconut trees, mango trees, and other kinds of trees. There were birds, butterflies, and honeybees. There were many tanks with plenty of fish in them. Kingfishers, storks, and other water birds came to the tanks to catch the fish. See, even though his grandfather didn't allow him to go out to play with other children, or he didn't allow other children to come to his house, his life with grandfather was not dull, because he liked his home and the very large garden all around it. There are many things around Raja's house. Look, what are they? Coconut trees, mango trees, and other kinds of trees. And what else is there? There were birds, butterflies, and honeybees. And more than that, there were many tanks with plenty of fish in them. Do you like a fish in the tanks? Do you have fish in the tanks? And like you, this Raja also has what? Many tanks with plenty of fish in them. Kingfishers, storks, and other water birds came to the tanks to catch the fish. Who came there to catch the fish? Kingfishers, storks, and other water birds. In a corner of the compound was a grove where trees, shrubs, and creepers grew wild. Jackals, mongooses, wildcats, and owls lived in the grove. Grove means a place full of trees. A place full of trees. In the corner of the compound, what else is there? Where trees, shrubs, and creepers grew wild. And some animals like jackals, mongooses, wildcats, and owls lived in the grove. Which are the animals lived in the grove? Jackals, mongooses, wildcats, and owls. We had many cows, bulls, and bullocks. Little cows played and ran about in our garden. I like to play with the cows. Cows. What do you mean by cows? Young ones of a cow. Singular is calf, C-A-L-F, and plural is C-A-L-V-E-S. I like to play with the calves. And I like to watch the birds in the garden. What are the things that Raja liked to do in the garden? He liked to watch the birds in the garden, and he liked to play with the cows. I looked for jackals coming out of the grove. I ran after mongooses, and I caught butterflies and reptiles. See how Raja is spending his life in his home. He liked to play with the cows, liked to watch the birds in the garden, look for jackals coming out of the grove, and he ran after mongooses, and he caught butterflies and reptiles. And these all things make Raja's life very happy. Here we come to the last part of the first part of the first lesson. Now we know about Raja, his family members, and the surroundings of his house. Now read the lesson very well, and you have to write. There is a homework for you. Please write it. List out the things